So the big fish, the strong fish are always in the middle. Same thing with the zebras. The lion's gonna go after the one that's on the side, or the weaker, or the ones that don't catch up with the rest, right? So as humans, we're built to survive, not to grow. Okay, so if we're built to survive, not to grow, we're in the middle. We're trying to survive if you're a zebra, but we're not animals. We're not trying to. We have shelter and we have food, so we don't try to survive anymore. So our mindset, we're wired for survival. We have to break the habit and get out of the center of the zebra herd right here. We gotta be on the outside. You might get eaten by a lion. There's no lions here, okay? So be disturbing. 2022 is your year to be disturbing, be different, challenge, don't comply, okay? You have an opportunity not to be compliant. Door knock, ask for referrals, but truly ask for referrals so you can impact yourself, your company, and turn 1 into 3. Selling roofs, not that difficult. Selling 3, you're a salesman. So that's the difference between humans and zebras.
Sales guys, who's your best friend? Quality control and the crew members, right? There's nothing more that helped me in sales than proving to that crew that I could be part of them as well. Right? I say crumbs are the decisions you make today, the choices you make today or don't make that will affect you tomorrow.
Today, I want to explain to you an idea that every single salesman and business owner should learn. An idea that would help you understand better our roofing industry, and you're going to help you learn from every single fantastic speakers that we have here. An idea that can transform your business into a machine. An idea I wish I knew 14 years ago when I started. An idea that can transform your salespeople into a sales force.
Optimism, guys, is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence.
Is this a conference or is this a work camp? Let's go.
Was there a huge moment in your life? Was there a turn of events that woke you up one day and made you figure out that you were in control of everything?
It's funny how winners want others to become better so they can keep raising their own standards.
Well, I'm going to give you the 10,000 foot view of what I see here today. And that's with leadership comes stewardship. And that's what this is all about. Becoming better stewards of our customers, better stewards of our employees, better stewards of the resources that we're given. So I think, and the biggest thing is better stewards of the industry we're in. And I applaud you guys for doing this, and this is awesome.
I'm very grateful for everybody that puts in the work to give me and Angie opportunities to succeed at what we do.